How to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. Now make sure that you use the same exact email that you're using Indeed with. So let's connect these two. Now here I'm just gonna enter the name of my college, my degree. Let's say I want to be an accountant and I want to work in this city. Let's click next. Now here go to your profile and make sure that you fully complete your profile as well as upload your resume. Now once you do that, head over to jobs here and you can do this thing called easy apply. Type in your phone number and here they're gonna ask me personalized question for the job. Do I have experience with QuickBooks? Let's say yes. QuickBooks is very easy to learn. Excel, yes. Now here you can upload a resume. Let's select a file and now simply type in your relevant experience. Let's continue. And here you can review your application. And then here you can add a cover letter. Now once you're done with this, you can continue and apply for the job. And that's how to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.